Deep within a forgotten corner of the world, concealed by a dense emerald canopy and guarded by ancient limestone cliffs, lies a secret. It is a saltwater lake, untouched and pristine, a sanctuary of life hidden from the casual gaze. This hidden oasis, a testament to nature's artistry, exists as if plucked from a dream, its existence whispered on the wind to those who dare to listen. Rumors of its beauty have been passed down through generations of indigenous peoples, each tale adding to the mystique of the secluded paradise. The journey to this hidden lake is not for the faint of heart. It demands a spirit of adventure, a willingness to navigate treacherous jungle paths and scale sheer rock faces. But for those who persevere, the rewards are immeasurable. Pushing through the final curtain of verdant vines, one is greeted by a sight that steals the breath from their lungs, an expanse of turquoise water so clear it mirrors the heavens above. The air hangs heavy with the scent of exotic blooms, the sweet perfume of orchids mingling with the earthy aroma of damp soil. The silence, broken only by the calls of unseen birds and the gentle lapping of water against the shore, is almost deafening in its profundity. It is a symphony of nature, a sensory experience that speaks to the very core of one's being. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where the modern world and its worries fade into insignificance. It is a sanctuary, a reminder of the raw, untamed beauty that still exists in our world. And beneath the surface of that inviting water, another world awaits, a realm of wonder just waiting to be explored. Slipping beneath the surface of the hidden lake is akin to entering another dimension. Sunlight, filtered through the jungle canopy above, paints dancing patterns on the sandy bottom. Schools of fish, a riot of color and movement, weave through the crystal-clear water. Their scales shimmer with an iridescent quality, catching the light and reflecting it back in 1,000 different hues. Neon blue damselfish dart amongst the intricate branches of coral, their movements quick and precise. Emerald green parrotfish, their beaks like chisels, graze on the algae-covered rocks, their crunching sounds clearly audible in the stillness. Graceful manta rays with wingspans wider than a man's height glide effortlessly through the water, their movements balletic in their elegance. The coral itself is a sight to behold. Massive brain corals, their surface covered in intricate grooves, provide shelter for smaller fish and invertebrates. Staghorn coral branches reach upwards like the antlers of some fantastical beast, their tips adorned with vibrant polyps that sway gently in the current. Delicate sea fans in shades of purple and lavender add a touch of ethereal beauty to this underwater realm. Interspersed amongst the coral are swaying fields of seagrass, providing a haven for seahorses and pipefish. These masters of camouflage cling to the blades of grass with their prehensile tails, their bodies swaying in rhythm with the current. Look closely and you might spot a cuttlefish, its skin a canvas of ever-changing colors and patterns blending seamlessly with its surroundings. This underwater world is a testament to the diversity of life, a vibrant tapestry woven from countless threads of color, movement, and sound. It is a place of constant discovery where each dive reveals new wonders and reinforces the awe-inspiring power of nature. Documenting the ethereal beauty of this hidden underwater world presents a unique set of challenges. Traditional photography techniques, while effective in capturing the grandeur of terrestrial landscapes, often fall short when it comes to conveying the magic of this submerged realm. To truly do justice to this hidden oasis, one must turn to the cutting edge of imaging technology. Quantum wave tracing optics, a revolutionary advancement in lens technology, allows photographers to capture images with unprecedented clarity and detail. This technology mimics the way light behaves underwater, eliminating distortion and producing images that are strikingly true to life. The play of light on fish scales, the intricate patterns of coral polyps, the ethereal dance of bioluminescent organisms, all are rendered with breathtaking realism. Bokeh effects, achieved through specialized lenses and post-processing techniques, further enhance the dreamlike quality of these underwater images. By blurring the background, the subject of the photograph, whether a solitary jellyfish or a school of fish, is brought into sharp focus. This creates a sense of depth and dimension, drawing the viewer's eye into the heart of the image. High dynamic range, HDR imaging techniques are essential for capturing the full spectrum of light present in this underwater environment. From the bright sunbeams that pierce the surface to the subtle glow of bioluminescent creatures, HDR photography preserves details that would otherwise be lost in shadow or overexposure. The result is a series of images that are both visually stunning and scientifically valuable, providing researchers with unprecedented insights into this unique ecosystem. Exploring the depths of this hidden saltwater lake demands more than just a sense of adventure. It requires advanced technology designed to withstand the challenges of this unique environment. Protective suits, engineered for extended underwater exploration, act as a second skin, allowing us to move freely while shielding us from the water pressure and potential hazards. These suits, far from the clunky diving gear of the past, are lightweight and flexible, allowing for a natural range of movement and minimizing disruption to the delicate ecosystem. Augmented reality gear takes exploration to a whole new level. Integrated heads-up displays provide real-time information about the surrounding environment, from water temperature and depth to the identification of marine species. Imagine hovering above a coral reef, the names and characteristics of each fish you encounter appearing as if by magic beside them. This technology not only enhances our understanding of this underwater world, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for its complexity and fragility. Underwater drones equipped with high-definition cameras and advanced sensors allow us to explore areas inaccessible to humans. These nimble explorers can navigate through narrow crevices and venture into deeper, darker regions, beaming back real-time footage of their discoveries. They serve as our eyes in the abyss, expanding our knowledge of this hidden realm and revealing its secrets in all their glory. However, our presence in this pristine environment must be one of respect and minimal impact. The technology we employ is not just for exploration, it is also for protection. Our suits are designed to prevent contamination. Our movements are carefully considered to avoid disturbing marine life, and our presence is always guided by a deep reverence for the delicate balance of this underwater world. The indigenous people, the silent guardians of this hidden lake for countless generations, hold the key to its preservation. Their knowledge, passed down through oral traditions and steeped in a deep respect for nature, provides invaluable insights into the delicate balance of this ecosystem. They understand the rhythms of the lake, the interconnectedness of its inhabitants, and the importance of sustainable practices. Collaboration between these indigenous communities and scientists is crucial. By combining traditional ecological knowledge with modern scientific methods, we can develop comprehensive conservation strategies. This partnership ensures that the lake's resources are utilized sustainably, protecting both its biodiversity and the cultural heritage it embodies. Establishing protected areas around the lake and its surrounding jungle is paramount. These zones act as buffers against encroaching human activity, providing safe havens for wildlife and preserving the pristine conditions necessary for this unique ecosystem to thrive. Strict regulations on fishing practices, waste disposal, and tourism are essential to minimize human impact. Educating future generations about the importance of conservation is vital to the long-term survival of this hidden oasis. By instilling a sense of wonder and responsibility in our children, we empower them to become stewards of this irreplaceable natural treasure. Educational programs, both within the local communities and beyond, can foster a sense of global citizenship and inspire action to protect our planet's last remaining wild places.